Welcome to day 5 of your level 2 meditation journey. Today's practice, reframing challenges with compassion. We're going to meet difficulty with kindness instead of criticism and see how that changes everything. So, find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your spine be long, your shoulders soft. Rest your hands gently on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep inhale and a slow, steady exhale. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. With each breath, allow your body to relax. Feel your feet release tension. Feel your legs grow heavy. Let your hips and lower back soften. Relax your abdomen and chest. Release your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Soften your neck and jaw. Relax your eyes, your forehead, and the crown of your head. Now, bring to mind a challenge you're facing right now. It might be big or small, just something that's been weighing on you. Notice the thoughts that arise about this challenge. Do you hear a critical voice, a harsh judgment, a sense of frustration with yourself? Acknowledge these thoughts without pushing them away. Now, imagine a dear friend coming to you with this same challenge. See their face, feel their vulnerability. What would you say to them? How would you comfort them? Let these words form in your mind. Gentle, supportive, understanding. Now, turn those words toward yourself. Say them silently, as if you are both the friend and the one listening. I understand this is hard. You are doing the best you can. It's okay to be human. Feel the shift in your body as you speak to yourself with compassion. Now, imagine the challenge as a stone in your hands. At first, it feels heavy, cold, and rough. With each breath of compassion, the stone begins to change, becoming lighter, warmer, smoother. You realize it's not just a burden, it's also a teacher. It's shaping you, strengthening you, helping you grow. Hold this new perspective in your heart. Breathe in kindness. Breathe out judgment. Breathe in understanding. Breathe out self-criticism. Take one more deep inhale, locking in this compassion reframe. And a long exhale, anchoring it in your body. Return to your natural breath. When you're ready, open your eyes or lift your gaze. You've completed day 5, Reframing Challenges with Compassion. Carry this kinder perspective into the rest of your day. See you tomorrow on MindForge. Take care. Bye-bye.